So basically, my friend got donated a Q8200, which is a Core 2 quad, and a bunch of PATA hard drives. So we thought it was a good idea to build a retro gaming PC. Here is how me and my friend built the worst $135 gaming setup. So obviously the CPU we're using is the Q8200, which is a Core 2 quad, which is based on the 45nm architecture. It has 4 cores, 4 thread, and a base frequency of 2.33 GHz. The motherboard we're using is a P5 EVM2, which we got for $15. We tried overclocking on it, but it didn't do much. We got 4 1GB sticks of DDR2 for only $10, but that's only because we couldn't find 4 sticks of 2GB at a good price on Facebook. I would recommend having at least 8GB for Windows 10 or in general, because you will experience a huge amount of stuttering in games. The only cooler we had on hand that fit the socket 775 was a Cooler Master Gemini S524, which we got for free from a deals hunt. You will see later on that we replaced the black ugly fan with the blue LED fan to make the build look a whole lot nicer. For the boot drive, we are using a brand new 120GB SSD from Kingston for $30. For the main drive, we are using a 200GB PETA format hard drive we got for free, which is powered by Molex and ribbon cable. And for the power supply, we are using a 550 watt we got from FreeGeek for only $35. And for the graphics card, we are using a GTX 570 from FreeGeek for only $35. And to put everything together, we are using a ASA Luminous 110 RGB case we got for $25. Finally, to finish the whole setup, we got a monitor for $4, but it's VGA only, and a mouse and keyboard for $8. We also got a VGA to HDMI adapter for $10. Here's the full tally of the gaming setup. Now let's get building. Can this PC play Crysis? No. Can this PC play Fortnite? No. Can this PC even play games? No. Then what is this PC even good for? Your mom.
Two hours later.
Yeah, so we didn't benchmark anything because I couldn't even play Valor without stuttering and like every single second. Overall, this whole setup was really fun to build, but realistically speaking, even though it looks nice, it's only best for office PC use. Technically, I didn't lie about this PC being perfect for your mom or dad. Subscribe for more video. Bye.